Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the environment texture is active. In Blender, go to the World Properties or Shading workspace and locate the background node with an environment texture plugged into color. Make sure you're in a rendered viewport using Cycles or Eevee so you can see changes immediately. If you can't find the node, open the shader editor and switch to World. Once done, identify the environment texture node that contains the Hdri image file you want to remove. Now you will remove the Hdri connection safely. In the World Shader Editor, click the Environment Texture node and either hit X to delete it or drag the color socket away to disconnect. You can instead set the background node strength to 0 for quick disabling, which preserves settings if you want to restore the Hdri later. For refined control, mix the environment texture with a color via a light path node, so the Hdri affects reflections differently than direct lighting. Finish by validating the scene. Render a test frame to ensure the Hdri is gone and adjust world color or ambient settings as needed. If you used overrides, open the View Layer properties and disable Scene World or reset to defaults. Make sure reflection probes and irradiance caches are cleared in Eevee and that Cycles isn't using an Hdri from another scene. If reflections or lighting still show Hdri, inspect Object Materials and World links in the outliner. Resolving those will complete the removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.